How to enable color correction for your Infinix Hot 30 smartphone here. This is a accessibility display color settings. And if you've been looking for this here, this is where you can go to change these settings. To change these display color settings, you can use the quick panel access, tap on the settings right there, this icon right here. And once you're in this section here, you can use the search settings, this right there. So tap on that here and you can go ahead and type in the words color correction, okay? And as you start to type it, you're gonna see that suggestions show up here like that, okay? So you'll type in that word, and when you tap on it, it's going to flash to let you know where to go next. Now that you're here, you'll go to it here, and you can go ahead now and toggle between the different colors here. But you wanna make sure it's turned on. You have to turn this on, use color correction. So one of them is the gray scale colors here, as you can see for yourself. That's gonna have everything turn into a gray, black, and white here. You also have this here where your colors will look like that there. Okay, so things are gonna be a little bit different. You got this here, and you can use this to get a view of what's really going on here. And finally, this right here, okay? Now you can choose to have a shortcut enabled, so you can turn that on there. And you can tap here to choose how you can go about accessing the shortcut settings, all right? So it's up to you. And of course, you can turn these off at any given time, like and sub.